Hello, dev people. Are you ready for a new inspiring interview? Next to me is George Pătrășcanu, software engineering manager at Google. Hello, George. Nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you, and I'm very happy to be here today.
How does your team stay connected and collaborative, especially in a hybrid or remote setting?
Yeah, well, working in a hybrid setting is really challenging. And the fact that we're also working in virtual teams that are spread across the globe makes it even more challenging to work together and stay connected. And we're using a few tools that enable us to do just that. Like we have tooling, internal tooling that scales, that keeps people connected in several ways, like project management tools, documentation, and collaboration tooling, visual meetings that we have, which really allow people to connect either in the office or at home. We give priority to including everyone from all the places they're working, and we encourage async collaboration. So wherever possible, people can also work in an asynchronous manner. We're also encouraging events within the team, people connecting with each other in person if possible. We're also giving a lot of transparency and into what's going on in the organization, why we're doing the things we're doing, what's important with the work we're doing, how and why it's important. So that brings people together to a common goal. And
Okay,
I think these are really good points to keep people connected.
very nice.
There's very good opportunities for for mobility within the organization. People can switch projects, can switch organizations, can learn from others. I believe we have the biggest source code repository in the world in a single organization, and everyone can access that. And imagine that you can, if you're using Google Photos, for example, or Gmail, right? And there's something you would want to improve there, but you're not in part of that team, you can still contribute to that. And that's really a good learning opportunity. And we also have leadership programs for people that want to go that route, to really learn how leadership is done in large scale organizations. We have lots of courses for people to use. So there's many growth opportunities for them. Yeah.
Many.
Yeah. It's huge. Yeah.
Nice. I have an interested question for you.
Please go ahead.
What career advice do you wish someone had given you earlier?
Wow. I think there's many things that I could have learned earlier in my career, but one thing that stands up in my mind is giving transparency and visibility into our own work as engineers. Because once work impact is only realized once people really learn about the effects of that work, what it means, and how that work impacts them in a good way. Working in isolation, while maybe introvert engineers like me are very happy to just get on with their work, it's really important to make that outcome visible and people to understand why you're doing that and how it benefits them. So I think it's something that I could have learned earlier in my career.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for your answer. And now, how do you support learning and development across your team?
There's a number of things that I'm doing in my team, and we're also doing at Google to support teams. In terms of general support for teams, what's available is we're having Google So Googler to Googler learning is a big thing within the organization. We have many volunteers within our company that teach others different skills and different ways of working or technical skills. And that's something that people leverage in the organization: coaching, mentoring, leadership courses. People are also encouraged to participate in conferences like DevTalks, either as speakers or attendees, learn from others, connect and network with others. Also, I mentioned earlier, like, we have this huge source code repository that people can actually learn from. Documentation is everywhere. We're also doing targeted programs for people that really have something specific to learn. And it's also about encouraging collaboration, because ultimately we learn from each other. And this is the best way to also, coming back to your first question, to keep the team connected as well.
Okay, thank you. You are here at DevTalks, the largest tech conference in CEE. What's one key takeaway you hope attendees will remember for your talk?
Right. We have a number of people that are speaking today. We have Vicky, Yuri, and Greg.